Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10, and today I will show you how to check the IMEI of the phone. So, you can go into Settings. From here, go all the way down to System. Then you have About Phone. And right here should be, right there, IMEI of SIM 1 and SIM 2, as you can see. So that's first method, and then there is also another one that you can do, which will require you to go into dialer and type in a code, which would be, just tap on here, it's gonna be *#06# and it automatically pops up with the IMEI. So that's the second method. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.